here today. I, Aditi of class 9th, is going to deliver a speech on 75th Independence Day, Azadi ka Amrit Mahotsav. You all and I, everyone sitting here in this country is Indian, and of course we all are proud to be an Indian. So do you even know what does Azadi ka Amrit Mahotsav mean? A never dying independence, which means it doesn't matter how old we get or how many generations come and go. We'll never forget the fight for our independence and the freedom fighters who sacrificed their lives for our freedom. Now, the question that arises that why is this theme kept? This theme is kept for the global peace and development of our country to fulfill the dream of good governance. Now, freedom fighters gave us this freedom. But is this only enough? No, it's not. We have to take a pledge today for that we won't let the flag of India go down and we'll always protect our mother country. Inqilab! Zindabad! Inqilab! Zindabad! Bande Mataram! Bande Mataram! Thank you.
My name is M.K.Jain and I am from class 10. I am giving a speech on the topic Azadi ka Amrit Mahotsav. Respected teachers and my dear friends, I wish you a very happy belated 75th Independence Day and my best wishes to all Indians over here. Recently, we celebrated 75th Independence Day on which PM Narendra Modi.
Teacher and my dear friend, my name is Dishan Prajapat from class 7. Today I am going to give a speech on independence called Azadi ka Amrit Mahotsav. With the country celebrating 75 years of independence, the government decided to organize a series of events called Azadi ka Amrit Mahotsav. It is being organized to commemorate the people who worked 75 years ago, and it is because of them that we are celebrating this day.
हमारी शान है, इसलिए हमारा भारत महान है. The very warm and energetic afternoon to one and all present here. Respected directors, sir, teachers, and all my dear friends. Today, I, third Sharma of class 8, is present here to deliver my speech on topic Azadi ka Amrit Mahotsav. Azadi ka Amrit Mahotsav as an initiative of Government of India to celebrate the 75th Independent Day of our country with the glorious history of its people, culture, and achievement. It is dedicated to not only to all people but also our Prime Minister Narendra Modi to activate India 2.0 as Atmanirbhar Bharat. The theme of Amrit Mahotsav is to showing the progress across all the sectors. It's a collective progress that we completed 75 years of independence country at the and 500 plus year in the ancient history. On this, our Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Modi launched a campaign called Har Ghar Tiranga movement. The reason behind it to show the patriotism in our heart for our country. It is started on 12th March 2021 at the Sabarmati Ashram and it is continued till 15th August 2023. At last, I want to say that everyone have a proud to your country and I wish you have proud to our soldiers and our freedom fighters. Thank you.
Today, I, Sara Joshi of grade 10, is going to give a informative and a very motivational speech on our India's 5th years of independence, which is also known as Azadi ka Amrit Mahotsav. When we hear this word Azadi ka Amrit Mahotsav, the first thing that always comes in our mind is our Tiranga, the national flag. It has 3 colors, as you know, but it has also 4 colors, which is orange, white, green, and the Ashok Chakra, which has blue color.
At any price, it is breath of life. With this beautiful quote by Mahatma Gandhi, I, Nitika Menaria, would like to deliver a speech on freedom fighter. Today, we all have the freedom to speak, to walk, and to do whatever we want. However, the situation was not the same when India was ruled by the Britishers.
Really great time here, enjoying your confidence, and this kind of a platform really gives us the best chance. And also I would like that all the students participates next time in this competition. We really had less amount of students. Next time I wanted to come out with better confidence, better speech, and more number of students participating here. I really enjoyed the performance of everybody. Thank you so much.